Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, we'll explore the image hotspot block to create image hotspot tooltips in Gutenberg editor. Let's go. Clicking in the empty container block, you can type in image hotspot in the search bar and select the block from the quick block menu to insert it. The block asks you to upload an image to start, so go ahead and choose your image. Then from the options under the Basic tab, you can select the image resolution, alter text, and enable the caption. You can open the caption section below, add a custom caption, and change the text alignment. In case you don't want to show a caption, turn off the button. That's it. Now comes adding the hotspots. Under the Add Hotspot section, you can add markers, also called the Hotspot Tooltips. On top of the image, you can drag to reposition the existing one. Inside a marker, you can edit the text for the tooltip. Then you can add a custom icon for the marker. And lastly, change the tooltip position. To see the tooltip position, hover over the marker and keep switching the position until you like it. To add more markers, simply click the plus icon on top and then customize however you want. And just like that, go ahead and add a bunch of markers. Next, there's a section for customizing the tooltip further. Here, you can decide to make the tooltip follow the cursor or show arrows when active. Again, you can make the tooltip trigger on either hover or click, suit yourself. And you can also choose an animation for it. Check how these animations change the perception of the markers. And lastly, you can change the marker icon, which is a plus sign by default. Now, the layout customizations are done. Next is the Style tab. Here, the first thing is the image settings. You can change the width of the image as you wish, then customize and add borders around the image. Right next, you can customize the border radius, changing the sharpness of the image corners. In the next section named Image Spots, you can customize the markers on top of the image. Starting with the icon size, you can go for the border radius, and padding. Also, there are color settings at the bottom, so you can pick different colors for the icon background from here. The color options are also available for hover mode. Lastly, you can choose your tooltip theme in the next section. Either go for the 4 unique preset styles from here. Each one changes the appearance of the tooltip box. Or you can go for a custom theme and then play with a couple of options to get it right. Besides colors, you can width, border radius, padding, shadow, and typography options. Once done, you can save, publish, and show the image hotspot content to your audience. Here are some patterns highlighting different approaches to this useful block feature. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!